Dear Mother, well, everything here is going very smoothly. I did my first solo flight some days ago, and now go up alone for longish periods every day. I've just learnt to loop the loop and spin, and the next thing I've got to do is flying upside down. Just flight so funny.
Lots of trouble.
But it's all marvellous fun.
Get out! Repeat,
Yeah.
get out! Get out!
It's all marvellous fun!
You're missing, presumed dead.
There's going to be trouble.
You never had roast pork before?
Lots and lots of trouble.
End up dead.
Let's give a big round of applause to our contestants.
Get out! Repeat, get out! Get out!
Let's begin.
You're mad. You're madder than hell. You don't know what you're doing. You'll get us all killed. You're absolutely plumb crazy. Do you know that? You're crazier than hell. My God, you're crazy.